So whenever I find myself in a negative, dark, difficult situation, I do this meditation. This meditation has done wonders for me, and I believe it will do wonders for you as well.
Hi, I am Pratyush. I combine my learnings of quantum science, neuroscience, psychology, spirituality, and share my thoughts to create a world that we aspire.
So I have designed different meditations to support me in different life situations. And today I'm going to share one of my meditations that I use in negative, dark, difficult situations. And today I'm going to tell you and show you how you can exactly do that. So let's start. The step number 1 is find a quiet place and sit in a comfortable position. So if you are a beginner in meditation, it is very important to find a quiet place where there is no distraction and sit in a comfortable position, whichever you want. You can sit on a floor cross-legged or you can sit on a chair. Just make sure you are comfortable and your spine is straight. Now step number 2 is close your eyes and focus on your breath. Now close your eyes and focus on your breath. Start by inhaling from your nose and exhaling from your mouth. Inhale, exhale. Do it for 3 times and then deep exhale and inhale from your nose up to the count of 5. Inhale, exhale. Do it for at least 8 to 10 times. Now step number 3. Imagine yourself standing in the middle of a bridge. At one end there is a place of darkness. This represents your insecurities, your fears, your problems. At one end there is a place of light. This represents love, happiness, safety. Now imagine yourself walking towards the place of light. Now imagine yourself entering that place of light. Now say to yourself that I surrender myself to this loving light, and say, I surrender myself to the great intelligence. I surrender myself to a great mind. I surrender myself to this loving power. And then imagine a light entering from top of your head, going down throughout your body, and filling you with all the necessary strength, quality, love and power to live a happier life. And then place your hand on your heart and say, thank you, thank you, thank you. And when you are done, slowly open your eyes. It will not take more than 10 minutes to do this meditation, and you can do this meditation at any time of the day. If you want to enhance your experience, you can play a soft music in the background. So give it a try and let me know your feedback. I am Pratyush. Be conscious.